Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, let us see a brief overview on this LLM. So what is an LLM? So LLM is a large language model. So Surendra, what is this LLM? So the point here is LLM, it's a kind of a human brain for an AI system. So how the human brain is going to work? So let us consider a simple example for this. So consider that I went to a particular HDFC branch. On a branch, there is a may I help you desk out over there. As and when you reached out to that particular person, he will, whatever the questions you are asking, that person is going to answer all those questions for us. And in this situation, whatever we are dealing right now in the current example, consider that that's the first day for that particular person in that branch. As and when you approached him, he may have some idea on the details, whatever you are asking for, and he may not have the details of whatever you are asking for. Consider that if you ask him about the branch name, the branch manager name, the branch timings, all these generic details, he will be able to help me. But consider that if I am asking him for a precise loan for a particular business type, he may not have all those details as he hasn't trained yet on those data. Consider that in the same example, the person has a trained on all the sets of data related to the information for that particular HDFC bank. So as and when I approached him, whatever the questions I am asking, the person is able to answer those questions. The point here is earlier in the previous example, in the person brain, he don't have that information about all the questions that whatever I am asking. Right now, as the person is already trained, as the person is already feeded with the information about the bank, right? Whatever the questions I am asking, the person is able to answer. The simple thing that plays a vital role is with the data, whatever we have trained, his brain stores all that information. The similar way, LLM, it's a kind of a human brain for any kind of an AI system. Okay, so how the human brain is answering for all our questions based on the information whatever we are passing in it to that, the similar way LLM does this behavior for us. Okay, so another most important thing here is in order to do this activity for an LLM, we need to create a programs in the backend. See, guys, consider that if I ask you to write down a Java program, just a reference, a Java program to perform addition operation, you will be writing 5 to 10 lines of a code. Right, 5 to 10 lines of a code. The similar way, if you consider this LLM, it should understand the billions of data. Whatever the information that you are giving, it should understand and it should process that information, which means how much complex logics they have defined for this particular LLMs. Okay, perfectly all right. So let us see the definition right now. So LLM, it's a type of an artificial intelligence that understands the human language by learning from a vast data and process all the requests whatever we are asking it. Perfectly all right. So immediately a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, how this LLM is gonna work? The simple thing, we are training these LLMs with a vast sets of data, the billions of data. From that data itself, LLM is gonna process the request. Perfect. So immediately another question that comes in our mind. So Surendra, what does a LLM do for us? Right. So consider that I have given a text in an English, and if I ask it to convert into a Spanish language, my LLM can do that activity. If I ask a question, my LLM give me an answer. Okay, and if you ask it to summarize any particular text, it will be doing that. It can generate an images for us. All these things the LLM can does. And the various popular LLMs that we have are GPT-4, Claudia 3, Gemini, Lambda. All these are the various LLMs that were already trained with a billion sets of data, guys. Perfect. And you may ask a small question. So, Surendra, I was able to get some information from Google. Everything, whatever I was doing, I was searching in a Google and I was able to get the information from Google. Then, what makes this difference from Google, right? What is the difference between this Google and as well as this LLM, right? On a Google chat, if you ask for something, right, you will be getting that information. But what makes the difference between these two? See, guys, a simple thing that you can understand. Sometimes, whenever you are working on any automation, automation testing or anything, right, you will be getting some error messages. If you copy paste those error messages, sometimes you may get a result and sometimes you may not get the result. So based on the text, whatever you are passing in, sometimes Google may not respond, but majority of the cases you will be getting it. But sometimes you may not get that particular information from Google accurately. Whereas as these LLMs were already trained with a huge amount of data, whether the text is a smaller one or a bigger context, definitely you are gonna get an accurate result from this particular LLMs. Okay, perfectly all right. And another thing here is ideally from a Google, whenever you are retrieving some information, it based on a ranking, right? Based on the ranking keywords and other things, the Google is prompting that particular answers for us. Whereas here, these LLMs, as it is a kind of a human brain, how exactly a human will think, the similar way it will try to think and it will provide the answers for us. Okay, it will provide an answers for us. So consider a small example that distinguishes between this Google and as well as a LLM, guys. So there is a library. Consider that there is a library, and how the Google is gonna work is a librarian. Okay, so if you want a particular book, right, the Google will say you that in that particular rack the desired book is there. Go and fetch that information. So such way the Google is gonna work out. Whereas an LLM, right, so it reads the entire library and it generates a summary for us on the spot. So that's the basic difference between these two, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. This is all about an LLM. In the next session, we will be looking at the next concept. Thank you very much. Bye bye.